Hello, it's Hector again. Today we're going to be talking Keyfob batteries. So for the most part, we've got two different types of key fobs. We've got normal ones that are physical key, and then we've got touchless key fobs that have the internal key. To start, usually there's a Phillips head screw in there, very tiny. Unscrew that. Then from there, there's a slot on the side of the key battery. You just pry against it, and then pop off the rest of the case, revealing the battery. From here, we've got negative on this side, displayed by this right here. And then we've got positive on this side, right underneath the battery cell itself. Then from there, you can take a small pocket screwdriver and just pry the battery cell out. And then installation is the opposite of removal. You just find the correct polarity of the battery itself, place it in, then snap everything back together. Then you're all set. And now here we've got the touchless key fob. So first thing you do, there's a switch on the back. You just push said switch and the physical key pops out. Then you wedge the physical key in between these two right here. Twist, and the case will start to pry apart. You just pry the two halves apart, revealing the battery. And then from there, you again take a pocket screwdriver, pry underneath the battery cell, and it pops right out. Shown is the negative, and on the other side of the case, the positive. And then again, the installation is the opposite of removal. Just find the correct polarity, push the button cell down, and then push the two halves back together again. And then the key slides right back in its slot, and then you're all set.